All right, hello. I have made it to Denver. I've transited through this airport before, but the first time I was getting out. We'll catch some more shot of those on the way back, but this is going to be a longer trip. I have a lot of fun stacked up. Let's check out the ride into Denver.
All right, guys, I made it here to Denver. I'm standing right here by the Daniels and Fisher Tower, built in 1910. It used to actually be a department store. Now it is a monument down here in downtown Denver, and they have some beautiful light projection going on with it as well that really caught my eye. I am here on the 16th Street Mall. It is a pedestrianized area with tons of places to shop and eat. So I'm gonna find some place to eat tonight and call it a night, and we'll see what we can do tomorrow.
I stopped at a Legal Burger and forgot to film what I got, but don't worry, I go back.
All right, so I am here. We are going to be going to Red Rock Amphitheater. So we'll see the drive up there, see if we can get some gorgeous shots as well.
I'm here at Red Rocks Park, just a little bit outside of Denver, of course in Colorado as well. It is a beautiful park. The drive-in is absolutely spectacular, and I went all the way to the top of what I could drive, which is the Red Rocks Amphitheater. It is an actual amphitheater where they have tons of events and concerts. I'm standing kind of in the little concession lobby right now. The top row is actually nearly 6,500 feet above sea level, so it's a really cool atmosphere, I'm sure. But the entire park covers over a square mile with tons of trails and stuff like that to walk around. So really cool coming up here, really enjoy the view, and it's really beautiful to see all this nature. Right now, gotta get something to eat, right?
I stopped at Aki Japanese Cuisine to get some shrimp and chicken hibachi and picked up some pork gyoza as well. The next day after work, Denver looked a little bit like this, so I decided to stop into Brooklyn's Finest Pizza and grab one of their excellent daily deals. After a cozy, snow-filled night in, I thought it was time to head up into the mountain.
I don't know if you can hear me. I'm going to talk loudly. But yeah, Loveland Ski Basin and Valley. It is an absolutely gorgeous day here after that snowy evening last night. I might use this narration for the start, but this is not my first go around. It is my first time skiing ever. I took a little bit of a tumble on the very first time skiing. Last couple of times on that there rainbow carpet went fairly well, so let's bump up the difficulty, right? All smiles, here we go. All smiles. Look, if they're smiling, then I'm smiling, all right? I'm not smiling. What the hell is that? Oh my god. No shot. Oh god. I'm not going in there. All right, boys. We're trying all smiles again. That'll be our last one of the day, I think. Holy shit. This was fun. Holy crap. Woo! I'll take it. There's cool. Finishing it out, boys. Finishing it out.
All right, guys, just got done with Loveland Ski Basin and Valley. I stayed here at the Valley because it's for beginners, and I appreciated seeing everybody fall because it made me feel better about when I fell. But it was a great time. I got here a little bit late, but I can still say that I got my money's worth. Rental and tickets for just about $100, right? If you're here for the whole day, you would definitely get your money's worth. It's an absolutely gorgeous vista here in the Colorado Rockies. Now I'm gonna head back. Hope that my little Nero here will get me all the way back home. Should be downhill this time, so I should be charging. I'll catch you guys later. That night I decided to stop into Bonchon Korean for some fried rice. And then, since it was Friday, I went for my traditional Kung Fu tea, getting a Thai milk tea with light ice and boba. I finally made my way back to a legal burger and then decided to walk around downtown Denver and check out some of the incredible sculptures on display.
Touchdown on the surface of my heart. The feeling's never gone. A brave adventurer like me. Remembers every weather.
That night, I decided I wanted to grab some Indian, so I headed over to Mint Indian Restaurant, grabbed one of their specialty mules, and had myself some butter chicken.
Follow the trail of the stardust of the ones that keep the forest out to see what we always been. Dream of me whenever you are feeling.
Then it was time for some dessert, so I went to Gelato Boy and got one of their incredible scoops of gelato.
We are locked in an orbit racing round.
I ended up having to change out cars and decided to grab a Polestar 2 while I was at the rental car location.
Keep your eyes on me.
My final night in Denver took me to Tokyo for a nice warm bowl of ramen.